I took this store from consistently making $6,000 per month to $14,000 per month in less than 30 days.
What did you say?
In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it step by step. I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm gonna show you what are the mistakes I made and how did I overcome them. I'm gonna show you the product, the website, the ads, everything. Buckle up, because this is gonna be a wild ride. Let's get started. So just for you to have a better structure of this video in your head, everything that I'm going to talk about in this video is divided in 4 big steps. The first step is doing product research and finding a winning product. The second step is building a store around that product. The third step is generating traffic. And the final step is fulfilling our orders. Alright, so let's start with the business model. The store that made me these sales is a dropshipping store. For those of you who don't know, dropshipping is a business model in which we can sell products that we do not own. We're just acting as the middleman between the customer and the supplier. Once we decided on the product that we want to sell, we need to find a supplier for that product. For example, let's say that our supplier is selling us a product for $50 and we want to drop ship that product. All you have to do is add a markup. Let's say we're going to sell it for $100. After that, we're going to build a store around that product, meaning that we're going to take all of the images, videos, GIFs, and product description from the supplier and we're going to put it on our own store. Our mission here is to make the store look as nice as possible. After everything is done, we're gonna bring in some traffic, and once people start buying, we're gonna receive some money. Remember, the best thing about dropshipping is the fact that we don't have to buy stock of the product. So whenever somebody buys something from us, they're gonna give us the money up front. That means that we're gonna have a lot of capital to play with. When somebody buys our $100 product, all you have to do is take $50, send it to the supplier, and tell them where to send the product. You don't have to do anything. And the $50 that we got left with, that is called profit. Alright, so now that you know what dropshipping is, what kind of products can we sell? What is a winning product? So in the dropshipping world, we call a winning product a product that's very, very trending right now. A product that's making waves on the market. A lot of people want to buy it, and this product should have that wow factor. So how can we find these winning products? It's very easy. There's a manual way and an automatic way of finding winning products. I'm going to talk about both of these methods. And if you want to get a lot more information about how to find the best winning products, I have created a cheat sheet for you. I'm going to give this cheat sheet away for free. All you have to do is leave a comment that says winning products and I'm going to reply with the cheat sheet. Alright, so let's move on with the manual way. How can we find these winning products ourselves? One of the most well-known methods for finding winning products manually is just going to TikTok, clicking the search bar, and writing TikTok made me buy it. So what this does, this will actually give you a lot of trending videos. These videos are around products that are being dropshipped. All of these videos are very, very popular right now. They are ranging from 1 million views up until 20 million views, even close to 300 million views. Alright, so in order for us to find good winning products, all you have to do is scroll down and see what product catches our eye. Let's check out this one, for example. Click on the page that's selling it, and as you can see, they have a lot of videos. They have tens of videos with the same product basically. So what are they trying to do with this? They are just posting organic content in the hopes that some of the videos or one of the videos will go viral and they will be able to leverage that video to make sales. As you can see right here, this video was consistently getting 500, 600, 700 views. And if you scroll a bit up, you're gonna find that it kind of picked up. It has 6,000 views, 3,000 views, 2,000 views, 5,000 views. And as you can see right here, they have pinned one of the videos that has 1.2 million views. Now, this is a very good example of a good winning product. It has 1.2 million views. It means that it has some potential for virality. All you have to do to check out more about this product is to click on the link. They usually have a link in the description. So let's click on that. Let's click on open anyway. This should take us to the landing page of this product. Now here, all you have to do is to just scroll down and check out their product page. Wow, that's it. So in my opinion, this is a bad product page. It doesn't look very good. It doesn't have any kind of details or anything. So all you can do is just select the type of connection for your phone and you can buy it, and that's it. It's a very, very simple product page. Let's go back on TikTok and let's look at another product. Let's check out this product, 14 million views. Let's click on that and let's click on the page that's selling it, lunion.de. So I think that this is a German website. They have a lot of German description. The product didn't do that well. As you can see, 1,000 views on average, 2,000 views, but they have pinned one of the videos that made 14 million views. It was only one video, but if you're being consistent, you can get here eventually. Let's check out their product page. Now, this product page looks a little bit better. They have some pictures and they have some descriptions and also some reviews. So you can take that as a pretty good product. This is another good example. Let's fast forward a bit to another product. Let's check this product out, for example. Let's click on the page, click on the link, Aqua Breeze. As you can see, they gave this product page a little more attention and it looks pretty nice. They're actually talking about the product and the website looks pretty nice. Also, they have 3 top videos. One of them has close to 6 million views, the other 8 million views, and the other 2.7 million views. Now, the time that we have in this video is not allowing me to show you more products, but you get the idea. We already made a list of 3 very good products, and we know that they are very good because they have a lot of views. Alright, so now that we started building a list of the products that we might sell, how can we find a supplier that could source us these products? Very simple. Let's take this one for example. Let's right click on the image and you have an option here, search images with Google. Click on that. You can make this selection and it's just like searching for something on Google, but with pictures, not with text. And as you can see right here, we have multiple options. All of these websites are selling this product. So all of these websites are pretty much resellers. So how can we find a very good supplier that will give this to us to a very good price? This product is around $30 on dropshipping sites. So if you scroll down, you're more than likely going to find a supplier. Look at this, AliExpress. This is a supplier. This is a good supplier. So let's click on that. This will take us to the AliExpress page that's selling this product. Now, unfortunately, this is not available anymore. But we can always just go to the search bar and search for some keywords such as air conditioner, ice. And you're gonna find a lot of suitable options here that might not look exactly like that product, but they will function like that. This one, for example, 500 pieces sold and it's only $22. We could sell this for like $40. And it basically does the same thing. By the way, guys, I have a surprise for you. I have a product research dropshipping spreadsheet. It's a spreadsheet created by us. You can find a link in the description and it looks something like this. You can use this spreadsheet in order to put all of the products that you find. So anytime you find a product, you can just put it here and here and here and here and put all the information that you find about that product. So this is for manual research. You can put the sourcing link and there are some questions here. Are you passionate about that product? By the way, it's very important for you to be passionate about a product that you're selling because that way you're going to have more potential and more chances to succeed. Is this product hard to find in stores, hard to get the price, safe to sell? And after you fill in all of this information from here, you're going to have a long list of products. And after that, you're going to be able to decide on a product that you want to sell more clear-minded. Now, for the store that I made $14,000 in February with, this is the product that I found. And if you're wondering how did I find this product, well, it wasn't the manual way, it was the automatic way. Let me show you how. With the automatic way of doing product research, you're basically leveraging an automation platform that will take care of everything for you. You don't have to do manual work because we have a team that's doing that for you. So in this case, let's just go with the handpicked products. And here you're going to find a big list of products that you can sell on your store. All of these products are proven to work. They are all making waves on the market and they are already researched products. You also have TikTok Spy, which will automatically give you whatever is trending on TikTok right now. So you can always filter this manually and find very good dropshipping products. For example, this one and also this one, they are all winning dropshipping products. And finally, we have trending products. Now, these products are trending. Our radar is picking them up. This is not updated by a human. This is updated automatically by a computer, by AI, and it kind of scrapes the market and it knows what products are being trending. Also, it is worthy to note that these are not all dropshipping products. They are products that just appear on the radar of AutoDS and they will get here because they are trending right now and a lot of people are buying it. They have a lot of engagement going on and they have a lot of interaction on social media. So all you have to do once you decide to sell a product is click on it and you're going to find a lot of information. So let me show you some pretty cool stuff. Now, right here on the AutoDS product page, you can see how much the item costs, how much is the shipping, how much you can sell it for, and what is your potential profit. You can also see an average number of orders for this product. You can see an engagement score and a saturation score. By the way, this is the saturation of the market. So if it's full market, it means that a lot of stores are selling it and you don't quite want to get there. If it's empty, it means that no one is selling it and you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You want to sell something that's somewhere in the middle, such as this product. AutoDS is also giving you a target audience. If you want to run ads and if you don't know whom to target, you can use this. If you scroll down, you're going to find social ads, meaning that you can see what ads are other stores running for this product. So for example, this is a Facebook ad. You can see how does a Facebook ad look like. Let's pause it. Let's click TikTok. On the TikTok side, they are giving us 2 ads that we can see about this product. So the first one is more like an influencer ad and the second one is more like a product showcase ad. And let me show you something really cool. If you scroll down here, you're going to find a competitor section. Now, this is an area that will show us other stores that are selling this specific product. And if we click on any of these stores, we can see the product page of those stores and we can learn a lot from this. This is one of the best tools on AutoDS because it basically shows you how are other stores selling these products, what they are doing, how they are selling them, what kind of mistakes are they making, what good strategies are they implementing. And you can find a lot of information here. So you can go back to AutoDS AutoDS, click on the second one, and you're gonna get a completely different store around the same product. And as you can see, there are different strategies of the same product. Let's click on the third one. This is how the third website looks like. This is very simplistic. So just by doing this, we're gonna get a lot of insights about our competition without having to do manual research. Now, AutoDS has hundreds of thousands of products that are making waves on the market. Once you decide on one of them, all you have to do is click import draft. This will import the product to the draft section. The draft section looks like this, and all you have to do is click on this button to edit the product. In this section, you can change the title, change the description, change the variants, add images or delete images that you don't want on your product page. And once you're done with this, all you have to do is click save and import. This will save all of your work and it will import this product straight to your store. Oh yeah, about the store, let me show you how you can build a store with the help of AI in less than 2 minutes. So once you're on AutoDS, click on your store's name and click on Add Store. Now here you get a lot of options: eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Facebook, Wix, WooCommerce, and Etsy. We're gonna go with Shopify, so click on this, and as you can see right here, it says Built with AI. At this step, we're gonna get 3 options. If you already have a Shopify store, if you don't have a Shopify store, and if you wanna create a new one, or you can use AI to generate a pre-built Shopify store. Let's go with that. Let's click Continue. Next up is selecting our niche. Let's go with electronics. Click Next, and as you can see right here, AI is building our store for us. We're gonna get all of the information for our store in less than 10 seconds. And all you have to do to access your brand new store is to put in your email and password and activate your Shopify plan, which will cost you $1. And also, AutoDS is taking care of a lot of other aspects of our dropshipping store, and they're making sure to automate everything that we're doing. I'm going to talk about that a bit later. Now, after I imported the product from AutoDS to my store, this is how the product page looks like now. Let me show you around. First of all, posture corrector V2. This is a psychological thing that I'm always using. V2 implies the fact that there is a V1. There is no V1. I just use V2 just to make people feel like this is a better version of a previous version, which will make them think that this is a better product, which it actually is. This product is very good actually. Next up, we have 70% off. This is also a way to incentivize people to buy. It's discounted from $60 to $25 only today. Next up, we have the review section right here below the name of the product. I want people to see that we have 105 reviews and the review scores are very good. The big majority of them are 5 stars. Next up, sizing chart, and next up, bundle and save. Now, I have created this bundle area with the help of an app that you can find on a Shopify app store. The name of the app is Bundle Bear. And this app will basically let you do bundles. It will basically allow you to give better prices if someone buys more than one product. So in my example, if you're buying one posture corrector product, you're gonna get it for $25. If you're buying 2, then that's $45. If you divide it by 2, that is $22.5. So instead of 25, you're only paying 22.5. If you're buying 3, that's $63, meaning $21 per product. Next up, let's scroll a bit down. There is the sizing chart. Now, I want to make you understand how important it is for us to have a sizing chart on our product page if we are selling any product that people can wear. It doesn't matter if it's fashion, if it's something like this, or if it's anything else that people have to wear on their bodies. This is very, very important, and I want to put a big accent on this because people might get that wrong. Sizing is very complicated, and you don't want to be in a situation in which you're going to have to do a lot of refunds for this reason. This is why I have included the sizing chart right here in the beginning of the page because it's very important for people to see it. And next up, I have used ChatGPT to write a very good product description. It says, say goodbye to poor posture and embrace confidence. It's basically handling the problem and offering the solution. Say goodbye to poor posture because poor posture gives us back pains, and this product solves the back pains. Hence, it will give us more confidence because if we're having a bad posture, people will think that we are not confident. Next up, some text description. Next up, this GIF. This is a very powerful GIF because it shows exactly what the product does, and it shows a model wearing the product. It's very simple. It's only 2 or 3 seconds long, and it shows someone wearing the product and showing it from the front, from the back, and that's it. Now, this is another thing that's very important. Experience unmatched back support and comfort. And as you can see, I put 2 emojis here, male and female. The reason why I did this is because a lot of people would think that this is a male exclusive product or a female exclusive product, which is not the case. Because as you can see right here, the main image is a woman wearing the product. If you scroll a bit down, this GIF is also a woman wearing the product. So people might think that this is a product that can only be worn by women, and I don't want that. If you're wondering how did I create these GIFs, it's very easy. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. There's a software, it's free. You can use it to create GIFs from videos. And the way I found these videos is just Right click on the image, search image with Google, and you're gonna find thousands of results that have the same product for sale. And what I did is I manually went to each and every one of these links until I had a file of a lot of videos of the product being in use, so I can use that to build my ads and to build my videos and to build these GIFs. Next up, I went with this small graph or diagram, how do you want to call it? Before, during, after, you can clearly see that this person is doing a lot better. Next up, features. I put some features in here about the product and some more GIFs. Also, this is a very powerful GIF. It shows the skeleton of a human wearing this product and how well it will develop after wearing it. Next up, some more GIFs. This one is actually one of my favorites. It looks very good. Look at this. This GIF would make me buy the product without even having to read all of this. I also included the fact that it's adjustable because there are people with a lot of different sizings and they might get the sizing wrong. So I don't want to let them worry about that. It's adjustable, so it doesn't matter. If you're getting the size a bit wrong, you can adjust it. Just to increase my AOV, which stands for average order value. That is the value that someone will spend on my store on average. If they're only buying one single product, then the average order value would be, in this case, $25. But if I make them buy more products, and I made this by two different strategies. First of all, this bundle thing that I told you, this will make people buy more than one product for their family, for their friends, because they will get a better price. And the second one is including this right here. You may also like section. And in here, I posted a lot of other products that they can add to the cart along with this one. And the third thing that I added is I added this thing, shipping priority. People can add shipping priority right when they check out just to increase the AOV. Finally, one of the most important things that we can add is this right here, customer reviews. The customer reviews are basically showing other people wearing the product that have left a review. Now, I have an important tip for you here. These are not my reviews. You can also import them to your store if you'd like to. These are reviews from AliExpress or Alibaba websites, and I have found them with an app that is called Loox. Loox. By the way, you can find it on the Shopify App Store. You can download it to your store and you can use it. It's very, very useful. You can actually import other reviews from other people, from other websites that have left reviews in there, and you can use those reviews on your own website. So you don't have to wait for customers to buy the product from you, to get the product, and for them to leave a review. You can just use other reviews with the help of this app. Now let's check out some of the results. I launched this in the 11th of January. It did some traction, $39, $40. It wasn't pretty good, to be honest. In the 12th, I also did $39. In the 13th, I think it was the same. So it didn't do a lot of movement on the market, but starting next week, between the 14th and the 20th of January, I did $1,440. And things got better and better and better each and every day. And so in January, I did in total 6.5K. Now guys, the thing is that I was getting a lot of orders every single day. As you can see, all of these are orders. I had to fulfill these orders. So when I started working with my supplier, they used to send this product, I think in like 14 to 16 days, which was pretty bad, to be honest. And that's when I decided to switch to AutoDS. AutoDS has their own fulfillment. So you can click on orders, and once you connect your store to AutoDS, you're gonna see all of your orders here. Each and every order will have a status: delivered, pending, ordered, shipped, and canceled. Guys, I cannot stress enough, it's very important for us to find a reliable supplier, because once we scale, I'm going to show you what I did in February. If you don't have a good supplier, you're going to be in big trouble. This is why outsourcing everything is such a good idea. To be honest, the big majority of suppliers are not trustworthy when it comes to fulfillment. The thing with AutoDS is that they have multiple warehouses around the world, and they can offer very good shipping times, sometimes even 1 and 2 days. You can see what's happening with each and every one of your orders. Now, the cool thing about it is that this is 100% fully automated. You don't have to do anything. Right when I started with this store, I used to do manual fulfillment, meaning that every time I got a new order, I had to copy and paste the name of the customer and send it to the supplier. I had to copy and paste the address, send it to the supplier. I had to take the money, send the money to the supplier, pay for the products, pay for the goods, wait for them to arrive to the customer. Now I don't have to do anything. AutoDS is taking care of basically everything. I just have to sit back and relax and check out the status of my orders. Now, you remember that I did around $6,000 in January. So what did I do to increase my AOV and to get that to $14,000 in February? And the secret is right here. In January, I didn't have any kind of bundles. And basically everyone was buying one single product. I was only getting $25 from each customer. Now, after I introduced this area right here, I gave them another discount. If they got the 2x posture corrector, I gave it for a price of $40, which is amazing. And now let me show you my orders tab. As you can see, this is February. It looks like this. Every single customer that I had spent at least $40 in there. As you can see, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 39, 69, 39, 39, 39, 39. So I didn't even get one single order of this product that was $25. This means that every single person bought more than one product. I didn't know this at that time, but this was such a powerful move to make. It basically more than doubled my revenue. So let's go back to my Shopify dashboard, analytics. As you can see, $6,400 in January. Let's do February. In February, I did $14,755. That's more than double, only because I did this slight change. I introduced this bundle area right here, and this basically made everyone buy at least 2 products. The reason for this is I think that this is such a good product and people love it that they want to share it with someone else. They want to share it with someone from their family or friends, or maybe there are a couple of people that have linked together just to get a better price and they bought the bundles, but I barely got only 1 posture corrector orders. This is how unusual they look like for me in February. Unfortunately, this is how the 17th of February looked like for me. This is all PayPal. And if you're wondering why, hey sir, but what happened? Everything fell to the ground. You were getting $1,000 days, and in the 17th of February, you only got $200. And also in the 18th of February, check this out, I did even less than that. The thing is that for whatever reason, Shopify decided that they are gonna cut my payments. I didn't do anything wrong. They just wanted to do a check on me. And basically, they just asked me, what am I selling? Where am I getting these products from? Do I have a stock? Where am I keeping this stock? Because I was making a lot of money. I was doing $1,000 per day pretty regularly. And I guess that Shopify didn't like that. Or it was just some AI that maybe decided that I was doing something sketchy and they didn't like that. They just wanted to sniff and see what was going on. That is why in the 17th and 18th of February, I had to only rely on PayPal because I didn't have any other payment processor. But don't worry guys, all I had to do is write them an email, basically respond to what they did to me, and I just told them that I'm a legit business owner, I'm just selling this product, I'm trying to make a living, I'm not doing anything illegal, and I asked them to put my payment processor back on track. And so they did. They reactivated Shopify payments. I only lost, I think, like 2 days, which could mean $2,000. Shopify, I'm gonna get you. And as you can see right here, from the 19th of February, things have started to go back to normal, doing $600 per day. The 28th, I did 300 and something. So things have started to go back to normal. Alright guys, that was it. I just want to let you know how important it is to switch things up. And if you're already doing good, if you're already making some sales, don't just sit there and enjoy the process and don't do anything about it, because you can always do better. You can always make more sales. You can always create more value. If there are some takeaways in this video, I would tell you, first of all, pick an automation software that will take care of everything for you, such as I picked AutoDS. They are basically taking care of all of my dropshipping business without me having to lift a finger. And second of all, make sure to always test things on your store. Make sure to always try new things out, just as I did with the bundle and with the customer reviews and with the pricing and with the priority shipping. I'm always trying new things just to add value to my store and see what is working. Because sometimes, not all the time, you will find something that will more than double your revenue, just as I did in my case. This is what I did to go from 6K to 14K a month. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an amazing day. Until next time.